Let's do the unboxing, guys! This is actually not a surprise gift. It's a demand gift. We always do demanding gifts to each other. Let's unbox our DJI OM Gimbal. Well, Tiago is there in the back watching us do the unbox. Thank you so much, Chago Miguel. Show your face. Dun, 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 dun. Wow! Babe, smile! They're sealed in the back. Yan, they're sealed in the back. Sealed is already broken, so that means no more return. Let's see. There you go. Yan. Yan siya, oh. Chanan! It's only one color, right?
I think so.
It's gray color, our gimbal. So I don't know how to use this one.
This is to make tripod.
So the packaging includes the stand. This is the charger. The charger, the stand. This is a gimbal. And this one is the magnetic phone holder. Oh, there is an extra one if ever something's happened to this. There's an extra pad. Change if this will be broken, if this will be not good anymore. So we do have extra. I think that's it. That includes our gimbal. Oh no, there's still one. There's still this one. This container includes the bag. We do have the Osmo bag. And here is the protector.
Protector for what?
There is an extra magnetic phone holder also. If this one will be, if this will be damaged, there's an extra here. So what else inside? And here's the manual. It's too much.
It's heavy.
These are the ones. So we need to read the manual so that we can try this one. Oh, be careful!
All this removed.
Oh, be careful! We cannot
It's really
return
strong.
that one.
See?
It's too strong, the magnet. Is it too strong, the magnet? So we need to download.
You need to download the app.
So we need to download the apps. Just stay tuned and we will gonna get back to you. This includes the charger, the stand, the phone holder, and on the gimbal. So all you just need to do is, there's instruction here. Phone camera direction. Phone camera direction. So that means we were gonna put our camera going to the left. Our camera going to the left. And the magnet needs to be aligned. This round, this, and this button, small button needs to be aligned. So there you go, it's aligned. The two button is now aligned. Let's just pull this one up and it's dead. To turn on, just press this once. Yeah, it needs to be beep. That means it's already on. You can see green color here. It's on already our gimbal. So you can press this button twice if you want to change the portrait into landscape. Next is, let's move on to the joystick. This is the joystick on which you can move the camera down, up, side, left, and right. That's the joystick, so you can control with that one. And we do have here on this side, this one is to zoom in and out. Zoom in and out for the camera. And we have here the shutter button. You can press 1 to take a photo and press another one to start or stop recording for the video. There's one button here. This is the trigger button. You can press and hold to lock, to enter lock mode. That means you cannot change anything once you press and hold this one. And you can release the lock mode also. Press 1 to start or stop active trap. That means face detector. Is it? Yes, the active trap. I think so. And then you can press twice to switch to center the gimbal. And 3 times if you want to change the camera from front to back or back to front. And then you can also press once and then press hold if you want to go to sports mode. Let's try it. I already installed the app DJI Osmo. DJI Osmo. Let's see. Make sure that this is straight. I think it's
No.
I think it's straight, so it's moving. It's moving. Just don't mind that one, okay, yeah. It's moving and it's moving. Let's try if it will go to start. Now it's starting for the video. Stop. And let's switch to photo. From video to photo is... Press 1, this one. Let's see if it works. Okay, now it's switched to photo. Just press 1 and it will go back to video mode. Another press 1 if you want photo mode. So let's see if the joystick is working. The joystick is working. Here. The joystick is working. Let's move on to the zoom. Zoom in and out. Zoom. It goes to until times 6. Times 6, 5, out. Zoom in, zoom out. Let's try if it will switch from back to front camera. It says
Selfie.
to press 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Let's take a picture. Let's take a picture. Smile. Smile. Let's try the face detector. It says to drag the face. Now it's detecting my face. I'm not moving my hand, but it's detecting my face. So just have this one. There's X to delete the face detection. Yan. I think it's nice, guys. I think I love this one. We can put the stand, and if Tiago is not around, I can do all my vloggings alone without other person in the back area to do the moving of the camera. Love it, guys. I love it. Thank you, baby. Yay! I have my gimbal now.